are full. Gosh.
Dirt bin is open. Shutting the dirt bin completely until it clicks. Error 200.
Good. That was good. Hiking's great. You could get this on Amazon. I can hike 811. Wi-Fi's good. Doesn't suck up pretty well though. Yeah. Oh, it sucked up me, bro. Bro, it sucked up a pencil. Go. Good. They're good. We could start all of them. You know why iRobot always going home? Please, do not go home. Nice. Please. It's sucking up. It's already getting more clean. Suck up this. Actually, who is doing a good job? I don't see any.
So, what do you think? Which one did a good job?
I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe Lito. Lito always wins. Oh my gosh. LaFont doesn't have a brush, so LaFont doesn't really do a good job. And Lito doesn't have a grounder, so it goes wherever it wants. Well, I can bust. Gosh. Yeah, it just goes wherever it wants. It doesn't have a grounder. I mean, it does, but I don't know what it is.
Oh, it's work.
Yeah, it's sucking up the dust.
Why you keep kicking it?
It's going where I not want it to go. There's nothing here. I didn't put confetti here. Like, it's going wherever it wants and not where, like, it's not sucking. Oh, bro. And also, let's check rock bonds. I don't know. Oh, I could. Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Well, I don't think it's gonna. Oh, well, I will empty it because it has some dirt. Yeah.
Okay.
Not yet. Oh, yeah, Needle's actually fast. Faster than the other needles, actually. The fastest needle ever seen. It's not picking up. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can suck up a piece. I can have stay on one. You could get that in Amazon.
Only bring some over there.
What did you say?
นี่ไงเอาไปวางไว้ตรงนั้นสิ
Oh my gosh. Yeah, you could get the hiking. I've been pretty good actually, so I'm not going to take that. Since iRobot has a very small dustbin, I'm going to see what happens if it's full in this. Look, I'm just going to spot clean it. Spot clean it. You're up. need help again. Oh, I can. You're not supposed to go here. You're supposed to go here. Go. Actually, I'm just gonna put it over there. Let's see if this vacuum sucks it up too. Cool. Functional vacuum.
Okay. Rulin.
Very cool. So far, so good. They are doing a very good. How many minutes is this?
6 minutes already.
Oh, just 6 minutes? Good. So clean, actually. So, if you want to have a very clean house like this, I think you will have to get Nito, Lafont, Hyphen, iRobot. They are very good robot vacuums. I kind of like wanted to see the battery, and I took off the rubber thing, so it doesn't suck up pretty well, man. I mean, it could, but not very well. Oh, where's it go? Will it figure out its surroundings? I could just push some in its brush. Yeah, just gonna put that in its brush to clean up the thing. Kind of quiet.
ทำไมทำอย่างนั้นน่ะ
Neo's figuring out surroundings. I wish he doesn't have a feature since it has a light on sensor. It's the only robot vacuum that is very smart. I mean, lots are not so smart.
รูลิน
It's obstacle avoidance.
Okay, that's it. Right?
Yeah, great.
So far
So
so
far,
good.
so good.
Okay.
Let's check out the dustbins, actually.
Okay, they have some more here.
Yeah, that one doesn't matter. I was just cleaning it up with the iRobot spot clean. That on there. I'll show you guys that. I didn't see any of them.
Wow.
So this one collect that much. Is it clogged actually? Oh, so far so good. Not clogged at all. So this one's the Nito. iRobot, you can't really see it. Yeah. iRobot has kind of like a very hard dustbin to see, so you maybe don't see it. Oh yeah, Hiking does a good job. I didn't sell the dustbin of the lava, and oh, not very much actually. Yeah, good. So far so good. Now I will just have to clean this with the iRobot spot cleaning. I'm going to show you all the dustbins another time. Here's the iRobot, here's the Nito. Hyken, very good job. Dustbin's full actually. Lava, not very much. So I think the winner is Nito. You may think Nito didn't win because it didn't collect very much, but the reason you think it didn't win because it has a very big dustbin. So whatever, I don't care. Oh yeah, that robot's not full.
Let them create the last time for this spot.
Oh yeah, I will need to use iRobot spot clean for that. 6 minutes of cleaning and your house is all clean. Good job, actually. You kind of have a small house, so they just clean very fast. Oh no, that's not spot clean.
Do we need to move the table?
Bye. Thank you for watching.